Hello and welcome to this class. My name is Flo. In today's video I will guide you through Uddiyana Bandha breathwork tutorial. Uddiyana Bandha is, in my opinion, a very powerful breathwork practice. It's something I do every single day, and it helps to energize from within and also to stimulate and massage the internal organs as well as the fascia, the connected tissue that kind of keeps all the organs within your body in place. I recommend you do this breathwork practice on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning, sometime after waking up. I don't recommend you do this after having any kind of food, even if it's 1 or 2 hours after a meal. I think it's still too early, since it can be a very deep massage for your internal organs and your upper body, and you actually move all the organs around, and it would put too much pressure on your stomach, and I don't think it will feel good for you. So please do this one on an empty stomach. You can always come back to this practice if you just ate or if you're eating something while you're watching this, and then do it some other time of the day. It's still good to watch the tutorial till the very end. The practice today is actually a little modification of Uddiyana Bandha. I added another breath hold after the inhale to it, so you're not only holding your breath after the exhale but also after the inhale. This breathwork practice, just like all the other breathwork practices I have on this channel, will help you to breathe better, breathe more efficiently, and just be more calm and energized throughout the day. I know today is a new one. I have no shirt on, but that's for a reason, of course, because I think you will just get more out of it and out of the demonstrations for this breathwork practice today. Otherwise I would have to pull up my shirt all the time, and so I think this is just easier to just keep the shirt off. Please find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a pillow or a bolster or a couple of blocks. You don't really need a mat, you can just sit down wherever. You can also do this practice seated on a chair if you cannot sit on the ground for whatever reason. So take a moment to set everything up and get comfortable. In this practice today we will use the mula bandha, the root lock, which is in your groin area. Then Uddiyana Bandha is the abdominal lock, which will be the main focus of this practice today. But we will also be utilizing jalandara bandha, which is the throat lock. We are using all of those three together, and you actually start with locking and engaging the root lock, mula bandha, then the throat lock, jalandara bandha, and then Uddiyana Bandha, the abdominal lock. You engage your mula bandha by engaging or squeezing your anus and everything in your groin area, kind of like as if you have to stop peeing. You squeeze all of that, and then you engage your throat bandha, your throat lock, jalandara bandha, by just tipping the chin to the chest so that you close that throat here, but you still keep the neck nice and long, reaching upwards with your neck. And then lastly, as the third step, you pull the belly in. That is then Uddiyana Bandha, and you pull the belly in and then up. So with everything engaged, the energy and the movement, the internal movement is in and up. So you're moving from the root bandha, from the root lock, in and up. And you do that all after your exhale. You hold then as long as you can. Then you slowly release in that reverse order. So first you release Uddiyana Bandha, then jalandara bandha, and then mula bandha. And then you take a deep breath in as you do so. And this is the little addition. You then hold your breath at the top of your inhale when the lungs are completely full. You hold for about 10-15 seconds, then you exhale, then you start again, and we are doing 3 rounds total. I will do 1 round real quick as a demonstration, just so that you can see what we're doing today. So you start with a deep breath in, exhale all the air out. So as you can see, you inhale first, you exhale all the air out so that there's really no air left. Sometimes you feel like you have to swallow after that exhale, then go ahead and do so. Then you start to do that order, mula bandha, jalandara bandha, uddiyana bandha, pull in and up, and you can see the belly actually gets pretty flat and very compressed, so everything else has to move upwards or has to move in other areas of your body. This is why this is such a deep internal massage, deep abdominal massage, deep organ massage, and that's why I don't recommend it after having any kind of food. You hold then as long as you can. Doesn't matter how long, if it's 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, doesn't matter. Just do your best, hold as long as you can. Then you slowly start to release the LUCHS, the bandhas, and take a deep breath in from the bottom all the way up through the belly, through the chest, into the throat, maybe up into the head. Imagine you're inhaling from the ground up. Then you hold the breath for 10 seconds. And then I personally like to exhale out through the mouth. If you prefer to exhale out through the nose, that's also great. Now let's do 3 rounds together. I will guide you through it. Find a comfortable seat. Sit nice and tall. Then take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale all the air out. Start to engage your mula bandha, then your jalandara bandha, throat, lock, and then pull the belly in and up and hold. Relax your shoulders down, keep holding. Slowly release, start to inhale, remove, release the LUCHS. Take a deep breath in from the ground all the way up. Fill the lungs all the way up to the top and hold. For 10, 9, keep holding, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open mouth, exhale everything out. Take 2 normal breaths through the nose. One more deep breath. Here we go for round 2. Deep breath in through the nose, fill the lungs all the way up. Exhale everything out. Maybe swallow if you have to swallow after that exhale. Then engage your bandhas, your LUCHS, and pull the belly in and up. Relax your shoulders down and hold. Keep holding as long as you can. Feel the energy flowing upwards through the spine, in and up. Now slowly release. Take a deep breath in, fill the lungs all the way up to the top. Close your eyes. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open mouth, exhale everything out. Very good. Take 2 deep, full breaths. Maybe keep your eyes closed. And for the last round, I will join you just in silence. I hope you now understood how it works, but know it takes time and practice, of course, to get comfortable with it, to figure out the right position, to feel the energy flow, feel your spine, and do it in the correct order. So just like everything, keep practicing, keep showing up every day for yourself and do the breathwork practice. Let's do one more round together. Whenever you're ready, take a deep breath in. Exhale all the air out. Here we go. Beautiful job. I'm very proud of you for doing the practice today. Like I said, keep practicing, keep showing up, keep doing the work. You also might have noticed that I move my spine a little bit as I'm doing the hold, kind of like to feel more in, to see and feel what feels right. So I move the spine a little bit around the upper body, maybe engage the abdomen on one side and the other. You might have seen it from some other videos where people are doing this belly roll and the deep abdominal massage, usually from right to left, left to right, or also kind of up and down. This one is called nauli. This is not covered in this video today, obviously. I'm also working on that one still myself, but whenever I feel ready to share the insights and the technique, then I will do a video on that one. This one, Uddiyana Bandha, is for sure the foundation, the requirement you need to be proficient at before you can do nauli. So keep practicing this one every day. If you need more breathwork tutorials and exercises like this one, check out the breathwork playlist in our channel. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I see you in the next one. Take it easy.